Samarth Bansal and I am the student of FIITJEE 4-year classroom program. I got to know about FIITJEE through newspaper advertisement. At that time, I was in 8th grade. I wanted to have a better preparation for my upcoming exams like NTSC. I don't know much about these exams, but I was keen to excel in all these exams. So I decided to take admission in FIITJEE. In FIITJEE, I met with experienced faculty regarding each and every exam, who themselves have qualified that exam or having experience of about 5 to 10 years. In 9th and 10th went well. I was able to qualify all my scholastic and academic exam with the help of FIITJEE. With this, best study material was given to us. We also got online support and time to time All India test from FIITJEE, which help us to keep track of our nationwide preparation. With great results in my 9th and 10th and qualifying all exams like NTSC and NSCJS, and also got a chance to attend OCSC. So I decided to continue with FIITJEE for 11th and 12th. In 11th and 12th, teachers not just were our teachers, they were also our mentors. They help us develop real temperament for exams. They don't only solve our exam related problems but also tell us how to handle stress and other problems. With this, we were also encouraged to appear in many other exams like KVPY, BITSET. For KVPY, different mock tests and mock interviews conducted, and for JEE Advanced especially, AITS were conducted. AITS were done in CBT mode. This helped us not just in excel in JEE Advanced but also in many other exams, because in nowadays many of these exams are conducted in CBT mode. So I decided to continue with FIITJEE for 11th and 12th. In 11th, my main target was to qualify KVPY. For KVPY, especially, online tests from my iPad were conducted and written test in FIITJEE. I was able to qualify written with very good marks. And for interviews, mock interviews were conducted at FIITJEE Center. This helped me gain confidence to sit in front of professors who are really going to take my interview. With this, I came out with flying colors in my KVPY result. And after this, my main target was JEE Mains. My JEE Mains went well, but after this, COVID entered. Because of COVID, offline classes were stuck. So I want immediate online support from my teachers. For this, FIITJEE came up with online classes and WhatsApp group were created for my doubts. This helped me a lot in this lockdown period. After lockdown and step-by-step success in my all previous exams helped me gain confidence and reinforce my belief to excel in JEE Advanced. For JEE Advanced, I am 100% confident and I would really recommend FIITJEE to all my juniors. Thank you, FIITJEE.